Hello everyone, welcome to The Walk, where we find Jack Skellington and a Christmas tree. Or, that's not a Christmas, there's two Jack Skellingtons and a ghoul monster that I forget his name of right now, just vibing in someone's front lawn, soliciting. What are they? Where'd they go? They're just here. They were just here. Where'd they go? That probably sounds awful on this, doesn't it? Sorry, guys. Sky's so blue, sky's so... Sky's so cartoon. I don't think I'm getting any more responses from the crowd, so I'll put away the whistle. I'm like glowing or something on the camera. What is that? I'm scared that's gonna just start running over me. No one's in it. I don't know. Seeing as I'm getting into the street now. And almost ran over by a car, apparently. I'm call the video here. Yep. Thanks for tuning in. Bye! You should know that. And guess what? I got the passes. The passes for the Clifton Hill. I got them. I have one for you. So we can get that. Yes. The Skyway is going to be glorious. There's, you can use the cart and you get to do like all this stuff. But if I was trying to do it at the time, I use the handle. Wait, because I want to make money. Yeah, something would happen. I didn't even scratch that. It has happened, but I didn't cheat. You went to do? I didn't. Yeah, you're not fucking tricking me last time. Keep the long one. Oh, the article that I talked to you once about it. Nice to meet you, sir.